Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see mouse events in JavaScript part 2, onmouseenter event and onmouseover event. This is same code which is present in part 1. So to get clear idea and code, please see mouse events in JavaScript part 1. Now we will see event when mouse pointer move on an element, that is on mouse enter event. On mouse enter event occurs when mouse pointer move onto an element. On mouse enter event and on mouse over event feels similar, but there is difference between them. So to see difference, we will need child element. So we will take second div inside first div and id rect child. Now style for div rect child, copy style of rect, copy paste and hash rect child, height 100 pixel, width 200 pixel, background color blue, and margin left, margin top as it is 100 pixel, 100 pixel. And here on mouse enter, here we cannot see name of event, so take care while writing name of event. On mouse enter, on mouse enter event when mouse pointer move on element, and background color yellow. Save, refresh. Now this is rectangle. This black portion is parent div or parent element, and this blue portion is child div or child element. First, enter from here in rectangle. Now mouse pointer on parent element. Now event, so we can see alert. Now to click OK button of this alert, use keyboard and press enter key of keyboard. OK, and then change in color, and now move pointer. Now pointer on child element, again pointer on parent element. Finally pointer out of rectangle. Now we cannot see event. Now again refresh and enter from here. Now mouse pointer on child element. Now event, so alert. Again press enter key of keyboard. OK. Change in color and move pointer. Now pointer on parent element. Now pointer out of rectangle. No event. In case of onmouseenter event, event occurs or event fires only when mouse pointer move on an element and no consideration of parent div or child div, or we can say no consideration of parent element or child element. In this way, in onmouseenter event, event occurs when mouse pointer move onto an element. Now on mouseover event, event occurs when mouse pointer move onto an element or onto one of its children. On mouseover event, on mouseover event, when mouse pointer move on element or on one of its children, and background color yellow. Save. Refresh. Now we can see difference between onmouseenter and onmouseover. So first enter from here in rectangle. Now mouse pointer on parent element. Event is fired, so alert. To click OK, press enter key of keyboard and change in color. Now mouse pointer on child element. Again event show alert. Press enter key of keyboard. We can see already change in color. So when event at that time only alert can seem or visible. Now mouse pointer on parent element. Again event show alert. Press enter key of keyboard. Mouse pointer out of rectangle. And now again refresh and enter from here. Mouse pointer on child element and event show alert. Press enter key of keyboard. Change of color. Now mouse pointer on parent element. Event show alert. Press enter key of keyboard. Mouse pointer out of rectangle. In case of onmouseover event, event occurs or event fires when mouse pointer move on an element that is parent element or one of its children that is child element. So consideration of parent due or child due, or we can say consideration of parent element or child element. In this way, onmouseover event occurs when mouse pointer move onto an element or onto one of its children. That's all for mouse events in JavaScript Part 2. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.